Hey there, Bronco fanatics. Keith with Rising Phoenix Bronco, and you guessed it, it is Bilstein Shock Day on the old 68 Bronco. Just put them on the driver's side so far, and yes, this is what a stock 68 suspension looks like. Picked them up from Wild Horses. They had a sale going on for Memorial Day. I picked those up and I got the Rampage soft top because we're here in Florida. So, you know, I'm going to be going to the beach. Yes, this is the Wild Horses disc brake conversion, which is paired with the Moab master brake. And no, I am sticking with manual steering. Don't ask me why I'm bound and determined to do that. Probably says something about my poor childhood. One of the other things that's going on with this suspension is, let's see if we can get this on here. I don't know, do you think these bushings are still good after 58 years? Is there supposed to be a gap there big enough you can stick your finger through? I'm pretty sure that's a negatory there. So I believe we will be calling James Duff and Wild Horses, asking them for bids. I want to do the progressive coils. Get rid of the stock coils, and we're gonna take care of that. So next, well, the rears are here. There was a little bit of a debate online on how these go, but talk to Wild Horses. Bilstein logos should be legible, and boot is down, which normally boots are up, but on the stock 68 Bronco, that's the way they're going to be. We replaced the old Gabriel shocks from the 1990s when I replaced the leaf springs from K-Bar S up in Las Vegas, where I was living at the time. They have since gone out of business. So we have lots of projects to do to share with you guys. That's the Rampage top. We are also working on James Duff Trail tube doors. We are painting them. Those are in primer. This is the original body color, 3 coats of primer, 3 coats of paint, and then 3 coats of clear because they're going to see some abuse, their doors. Oh, I have no idea what else we're working on, but you know, we're working on it. So I hope that brings you up to speed. Another video. They should be coming fast and furious now because I'm retired and I want to get this on the road and have some fun with it. So you guys take care of yourselves and God bless.